Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and today we're going to talk about iCoinPro, guys. If you don't know what iCoinPro is, we will definitely get into it. But like I said, I'm going to show you a little bit. These are for the people who may be already in iCoinPro, who are searching to get more content on trading in the cryptocurrency space. I always suggest to everyone who joins me, it's not about the actual product that you get, it's also about the communities that you align yourself with. And I am proud to say that iCoinPro is one of the communities that I just completely love to align myself with. The reason why I'm saying this, it's because that it does give me results. It gives me a trading method that I can use to be independent, to be free on my own, to work from the comfort of wherever I want to work from. And that is the joy that it brings me. Okay, so I definitely am focusing on right now increasing my my monthly, let's say, or my budget in terms of my trading budget. But I wanted to show you guys a method or a strategy which I'm going to be following for the next for the next few months. Definitely I want to get the numbers. I want to make sure that you see everything. So this is iCoinPro, guys. If you're interested in iCoinPro, you can find a link in the description that will take you directly. Just say let's learn trading, and it'll take you directly to the iCoinPro website, which you can then enter your email address and everything else and get more. But I want to talk to you guys about something. So I'm going to go to the websites right here, and if you're in iCoinPro, you know that these are your basically sales pages, customer. If you want to use make a funnel, and this is a sales page that you would send them to, right? And then you have these kind of pre-enroll landing pages right here. So I'm going to show you a very simple strategy which I have started from last month, and I will be continuing it this month. It depends on you and your budget, obviously, but I'm going to explain to you my strategy, so hopefully you guys understand a little bit more about it. Okay, so let's go and look at this page. Firstly, I want you guys to see the page. It's a very simple page. It's a high converting page, and the only reason why it's a high converting page is also because it has a widget right here. Now these widget is it's very valuable to have it, because it gives you on any iCoinPro page a higher conversion rate, so it allows you to convert faster your sales and everything else. So iCoinPro is doing a lot for us, and which is why we are looking at it also in our strategy. Okay, so you put your name, email address in, and that's it. You get an email to the sales page, which let me explain to you. Let's just go here, and I want to click on, it'll either go to this sales page or go to video sales page, which will show you exactly how to get started. And then you have the three packages right here of the micro profit system, which is what we use in order for us to trade on a day-to-day basis. Depends on you what you want to get started with. I am all in, guys. I am all in, and whoever is watching this video and is interested in learning how to trade cryptocurrency, but also wants to get into information and have the information available for you about the cryptocurrency space, news, what is happening, and keep up to date, so that you can honestly just have this running for you and don't worry about it. Okay, but if you do want to become a distributor and actually sell this, like you have the resale rights, and you can sell this product to other people, and if you do, you can get paid on that as well. So you have two options of payments, basically, or two options of how you're going to earn. One is through the compensation plan, and one is through your trading efforts, which you are in charge of your funds and everything else. So in either way, it's a beneficial package in my opinion, and the community is great. There is a forum, there's a private forum, it's only for members, and we discuss everything, guys. If you want insights, imagine people who are worried about getting to know the inside secrets and stuff like that. We share quite a lot of things that are happening, so from successful traders within our community to new people. And literally, I was skeptical when I got started with iCoinPro, but it has been the best choice in terms of my education, in terms of my upliftment in my online career, because of the strategies and the methods it shows. So like I said, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy. iCoinPro is part of my pro system. This is the page, this is the amount. What I'm going to be doing, guys, is I'm going to show you right here. I have a traffic source called Udemy Solo Ads. Okay, Udemy Solo Ads is something that I use on a weekly basis, and in fact, I want you guys to see that every single week I purchase traffic. Okay, so there's always people running through my system in order for me to just make sure that people understand. We are on the 7th of July. I just finished one traffic order, as you can see right here, on the 4th of July, and there's many more to go. 3 more have already been planned, and this one right here, which is what I want to show you. Okay, the link to it, guess where it is? It is this link right here. It is this link right here. So the strategy, what I'm going to be doing, guys, is very simple. Okay, sorry, I'm supposed to go there. The strategy what I'm going to be using is very simple. Once a month, since I purchase every single month, every single week traffic, okay, to my system, which also promotes iCoinPro. So technically, I'm already promoting iCoinPro on a daily basis, but it is how can I say? It is within my system. What I'm going to do is I want to show you how simple it is to actually make sales also in terms of marketing. Okay, we're going to be using this generic company landing page right here. Okay, sorry, this one right here, and we're going to go to Udemy and send, sorry about that, and send traffic to this page. Go to Udemy and send traffic to this page. This is all that we're going to be doing every single week. Now, I must say that this page is connected to my Aweber follow-up series. So what happens is when they do put in the email address and stuff like that, they do fill out the form. So I already did this once last month, and I'm going to show you guys some statistics so you can see right here. As you can see, every single day I've been getting people to my page, but I ran traffic here on the 26th of June, and I'm going to be doing it on the 30th of July. So every last week of the month, I'm basically going to be sending traffic to only iCoinPro. And this is something I'm going to be doing the whole year round. I might increase it to twice a week. I might increase it to 3 times a week, or maybe even every single week. But right now I'm doing it once a month that I'm sending traffic, and I've already got 12 pre-enrollees. Now that means from these 12 pre-enrollees, I want to see who gets it. How many pre-enrollees do I need in order for me to get an enrollee? Okay, so we're going to show this simple strategy for you, and I'm going to be getting into the access of giving you guys this this content as well. Okay, hopefully you got value from this video and you learned the strategy. But like I said, my name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. I created the pro system to help other people with a plan that doesn't go from shiny object to shiny object, but actually gives you the foundations of any internet marketing business and what you need to consistently do in order for you to get results. If you want to join me in this journey, I have a link in the description of this video. Remember, it's the communities that you join. It's not about the product. We have lost a lot of money and we learn from that experience. And if you resonate with that, then subscribe to this channel, because you're going to definitely get a journey that you're going to see on this channel where you will see, oh, David, these are your numbers for now, and then suddenly you're getting sales, and then, oh, the trading and everything, because I come out with video content which shows you and gives you proof, progress, and results on all of these things that I'm talking to you about. So there's no fluff involved, but reality. Okay, have a great day, guys. It's a Saturday here in the Czech Republic, and I hope that you are enjoying your weekend, and I'm going to see you on the next video.